In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install apps on your Hisense Vidaa smart TV. First, ensure that your TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Using your remote, navigate to the home screen by pressing the Home button. Once you're on the home screen, look for the App Store or Vidaa Store icon. Select it to open the App Store, where you can browse available applications. You may see a variety of categories such as popular apps, games, and recently added apps. To find a specific app, you can use the search function. Look for a magnifying glass icon or a search bar within the store. Type in the name of the app you want to download and select it from the search results. After selecting the app, you'll be taken to its download page. Click on the Install or Download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, you can find it on your home screen or in the My Apps section. If you want to move the app to a more accessible location, highlight the app, press and hold the OK button on your remote, and select the option to move it. To launch the app, simply navigate to its icon and press the OK button on your remote. Now you can enjoy all the features and content the app has to offer. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, make sure your TV software is up to date. You can check for updates in the Settings menu under About or System Update. And that's it. You can now download and install apps on your Hisense Vidaa smart TV easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.